back to my channel. As you can see by the title of this video, I'm back with another Bodyworks review. If you don't know, the cat is out the bag. I love Bodyworks products. I have reviewed them on my channel, used them in TikToks. Like, the products are just great quality, period. So yes, today I will be reviewing their Hibiscus Honey Curl Hydration Shampoo and Conditioner. These two right here. And I'm just super excited. So I actually purchased these products online through Bodyworks. They were doing like a giveaway on their Instagram and I won a gift card. And so I used that gift card to purchase these products. Like, how awesome is that? So if you're interested in seeing my review on this shampoo and conditioner, then just keep watching. First of all, let me just say, it's really been a minute since I filmed any like natural hair content. Like, I haven't posted anything since like the New Jersey, New York vlog. So that was a vlog. But as far as natural hair content, it's really been a minute. So super excited to be back on camera. Somebody called me out, to be honest. They called me out on my stuff and was like, hey, I have not seen you post in a while. So, you know, I'm back. Let's just go ahead and jump right into it. If you have been watching me, then you know how I wash my hair. So my hair is already wet. And of course I have my spray bottle in case I want to wet it, you know, a little more than what it already is. So we're going to get into the shampoo first. If you know, you know, I have to smell everything first. So let's go ahead and get into how this shampoo smells. I don't know. Totally just wasted that. But we gonna use it. It smells good. It's like a floral scent. It's not too strong or like overpowering, but it smells good. It does smell good. So let's go ahead and read the back of the bottle. Gently cleanse and nourish hair, adds moisture and softness to give curls an extra boost of hydration. Safe to use on color treated hair. Apply to wet hair, lather from root to tip and rinse well. So let's go ahead and get into it. Let's start from the back section. Curls already popping. And yeah, let's get into the consistency of this shampoo. I told y'all I wasted some. We're gonna use it, but this is how much I have. This is the consistency of the shampoo. Let me go ahead and get that because no product left behind, baby. Get that off my table. And let's get into it. You already know I love good lather. Let's see what this does. And it does it for me. As soon as I put it on, I have a nice lather. Also, if you've been watching me, then you know I have my nice Vanity Planet scalp massager. So let's go ahead and get into that. All right, so I am just going to repeat the same steps on each section, and you guys can just watch and listen to some nice music. But before I do that, let me just get y'all a close-up so y'all can get into it like that. All right, so yeah, just continue to watch for the end. Okay, so now that I have the shampoo in, I am going to go rinse this out, and I'll be right back so you can see what my hair is looking like after rinsing it, and then we'll get right into the conditioner. All right, y'all, we are back with the results after rinsing out the shampoo. Let me get closer. How the curls looking. Hopefully you can see that. So my hair feels, you know, very hydrated, because, you know, shampoo is naturally supposed to cleanse, and you know, they can, you know, feel very stripping. It's not the case for this. It, you know, feels clean. Let's just say it gave what it's supposed to give. At the same time, I feel like my hair is hydrated as well. Pretty sure it smells the same. We can go ahead and smell it again. Smells absolutely the same. Like I said, it's like a floral scent, you know, a nice clean floral scent. So with the conditioner, it says it's supposed to instantly work to strengthen, detangle, and protect strands, enhances natural softness, boosts curls, and tames frizz. Generously apply on damp hair, concentrating mid-shaft down to ends. So for the conditioner, I'm going to detangle using this Ultimate Detangler Tangle Teaser. Now I do have, I purchased this from CurlBox, 4 different tangle teasers. I do have an unboxing here on my channel, so I'll link that below, as well as I'll link my last Bodyworks shampoo and conditioner review. I will link that below as well. So after this video, make sure you guys go check that out. So yeah, let's get right into the conditioner. Now I'm a consistency girl, so I have to get into that. Okay, and that's a generous amount. And that's the consistency of the conditioner. She's thick. So let's go ahead and place this on this section. Then I'm going to go in with Tangle Teaser and just detangle. You already know, start from the end, sis. So the conditioner feels really nice on my hair. I do feel like it's, you know, absorbing into my hair really nicely. And you see the curls popping. So yeah, let me go ahead and distribute the conditioner on the rest of my hair. So now that I have the conditioner in, I'm going to rinse this out and then come back and share my final results. Let me get y'all a close-up. You already know, hit you with, hold on, let's get it this side. Hit you with a close-up. You see the curls popping. I mean, even Bodyworks products never disappoint. My hair feels very nice and clean and hydrated. So if you have not tried Eden Bodyworks products, then I will highly recommend them. So be sure to check out the links in below from previous videos if you missed those. I appreciate all the support, and please you know, comment down below, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel of course, and remember, stay beautiful, stay blessed, don't worry about the rest. See you in my next one.